Hello everyone, it's me Asif Ahmed in front of you. Wait a minute. Yeah, I said it's me. Is it grammatically correct? The answer is no. It should be it's I. It's me is grammatically wrong. But in spoken English, you can say it's me. It is more natural. Native speakers say it's me. But in written English, it's me is completely wrong sentence. It should be it's I. So in any competitive exam, if you write it's me, you will lose your mark. So there are other examples like this. He is taller than me. This sentence is used in spoken English, but according to grammar, it's not right. The sentence should be he is taller than I. He is taller than I. But native speakers say he is taller than me in spoken English. His English is better than me. His English is better than me. It's also a wrong sentence. It should be his English is better than my English. His English is better than my English. But in spoken English, native speakers say it's me, he is taller than me, his English is better than me. So in spoken English, these are natural. But in written English, you cannot write these sentences. So there are some differences between written English and spoken English. Spoken English always doesn't follow grammatical command. That's true. Which one is correct? I don't need to go, I need not to go, or I need not go. All are correct in spoken English. I don't need to go, I need not to go, I need not go. But if you look at the grammar, I need not to go is not correct. It should be I need not go or I don't need to go. I need not to go is not correct according to grammar. But in spoken English, native speakers always say I don't need to go or I need not to go, or sometimes they say I need not go. So here I want to say that in spoken English, you don't always need to follow the grammatical rules. Even sometimes if you follow grammar, it will make your speech unnatural. Because in spoken English, native speakers don't say it's I and some other sentences that I showed you. So we can understand that there are some differences between spoken English and written English. Then I want to say you another thing, that native speakers make mistakes. Yes, native speakers make mistakes. Today I'm recording this video because I want to make you more confident in English. We cannot speak English effortlessly, confidently, because we are afraid of making mistakes. But I hope after watching this video you will be more confident in English. Because if you make mistakes, it's really okay. Even native speakers make mistakes. And today in this video I will prove you that yes, native speakers make lots of mistakes. Please watch this video until the end. When I watch any English speech or English TV series or English shows, I often notice that native speakers make mistakes. Yes. Before making this video, I thought I will cut some short clips and I will show you that yes, native speakers make mistakes. But actually I don't want to criticize them. I want to say you that even native speakers make mistakes in English, and making mistakes is very natural. I don't want to criticize them. I want to make you more confident by finding their mistakes. So what I have done, I don't want to show you any clips, but in the description box I have shared some links. I would like to request you, please watch those videos. Or go to YouTube and search mistakes that native speakers make. Mistakes that native speakers make. Then you will find lots of videos, and please watch those videos. Then you can understand that native speakers always don't follow grammatical rules or grammatical commands. Yes, of course, there are some differences between spoken English and written English, but still they make mistakes. What they should not speak, sometimes they speak mistakenly. So please watch those videos. Search on YouTube or go to my description. I have shared the links of some videos. So I don't want to discuss native speakers' mistake. So watch those videos. Now I want to share as a non-native speakers what type of mistake we do. So there could be two types of mistakes. So number one, if you do this type of mistakes, the meaning will be changed. Number one, like if you say yesterday I go, or if you say yesterday I will go. This mistake makes you confused. Your listeners can't understand you. So it's a big mistake. You should avoid this type of mistakes. And number two, there are some other mistakes. If you do, the meaning won't be changed. Like according to rules, you cannot say discuss about. You can say talk about, or you can say discuss. So if you say I want to discuss about this topic, it's maybe wrong. But if you say discuss about, Maybe it's not correct because native speakers don't say discuss about, they say talk about or discuss. I want to talk about this topic, or I want to discuss this topic. But if you say discuss about, this mistake won't affect the meaning. Take another example. Native speakers say good at English, good at mathematics. They don't say good in English or good in mathematics. But as a non-native speakers, we often make this mistake. We say good in English. I'm not good in English, he is good in English. But it should be I'm not good at English or he is good at English. But if you say I'm not good in English, it's a mistake because native speakers don't say that. But this mistake won't affect the meaning. So these are very silly mistakes. We should avoid those mistakes which will affect the meaning. But if we always try to be 100% perfect, we can't speak properly. We have to understand that even native speakers make mistakes. So we are non-native speakers, so we can make mistakes. It's very natural. If we always try to be 100% perfect, we cannot speak properly, we cannot communicate. And this is the biggest barrier to be a good communicator in English. We are always afraid of making mistakes. That's why we cannot speak effortlessly. We cannot make a good communication in English. And today I'm recording this video because I want to make you confident in English. You have to understand that making mistakes is okay. Even native speakers make mistakes. So as a non-native speaker, we can make mistakes. Even there are some differences between spoken English and written English. So if we always try to apply 100% perfect grammar, we cannot speak properly, we cannot communicate. Even people who should not make mistakes, like English news anchors, TV show hosts or talk show hosts, they do mistakes. And you know, there are some differences among British English, American English, Canadian English, Australian English. So there are lots of differences according to grammar, according to pronunciation, according to use of words. For example, take a word, water. British people say water, but Americans say water, water. Maybe Australian people say water, water. So look at the differences. Water, water, water. Like British people say daughter, but Americans say daughter. British people say talk, I want to talk, but Americans say I want to talk. Talk and talk. So there are some pronunciation differences. You have to understand that nowadays English is a worldwide language. So don't make it more complicated. Yes, grammar is important, but in order to be a good English communicator, you don't need to know all the grammars. Grammar is important means grammatical structures are important, grammatical commands are important. But in order to be a good English communicator, you don't need to know the definition of noun, the definition of verbs, the types of noun, the types of verb. You don't need to know those things. You should know the basic grammar to understand this language. You should know the structure of this language. You should know certain commands to use this language, to understand this language. But don't try to apply 100% perfect grammar. Even if you always follow grammar, it will make your spoken English unnatural. As I mentioned some examples, difference between spoken English and written English. So in order to be a good English communicator, you don't need to be a language scientist. Yes, you should learn certain grammatical structures, certain grammatical commands. Then you have to listen to more English and try to practice speaking. And if you want to improve your writing skill, then you need to know some grammatical drills which are related to writing. Then you have to read English books, English articles, you have to make a reading habit, and you have to practice writing. So by this process, you can be a good English speaker and good English writer. Actually, I want to say so many things. Before recording the video, I think, okay, I will mention this, I will mention that. But when I record video, I forget many points. After recording the video, then I realized I should have told this, I should have told that. So I forget the points when I record video. Because I'm not that much expert in presentation, but I try to make videos to make you confident. Yes, sometimes my grammar is not that much effective. There are lots of vocabulary in my dictionary I can't pronounce properly, but I'm learning it. Still, I want to share my knowledge to others so that I can help other people. And you know, the best way to learn something to teach it. I also learn through teaching. As I said, native speakers make mistakes. Even English news anchors, English talk show hosts make mistakes. So I'm not a native speaker in English. I also make mistakes. And my main purpose is not to teach you English, but to make you confident in English. And another thing I want to say that I'm not from an English medium background. I don't have any degree in English. I have completed BBA and currently I'm doing MBA. So I am a student of business background. I don't have any degrees in English. But yes, I have done some English courses. But I believe that yes, I have improved my English communication skills a lot. That's why I want to share some very effective tips and tricks. And I hope my videos will help you to build up your confidence and improve your English communication skills. So that's all about today's video. I know I have missed some points what I wanted to say, but I forget. I don't know whether you understand my speech or not. If you really understand me, please write down that yes, you have understood. And if you really like this video, please share this video with your friends. I hope this video will help you to boost your confidence. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes. So as a non-native speaker, we have right to make mistakes. And English is nowadays a worldwide language. So you cannot limit this language by some grammatical rules. So keep learning, try to avoid some major mistakes, but don't be afraid of making mistakes. Be a confident English speaker. This is Asif signing out until we meet again.